We need to have a 5-song EP in a few weeks.
Yeah,
we don't really
in
have
a
any
month.
songs. Yeah.
We need to have the CDs in our hands
in a month.
in just over a month.
And we don't have any songs complete. We write 3 songs, have a couple of covers, so we got to figure them all out. Then we got to record them, mix them, burn them on CDs. Having an EP to sell will make traveling a million times easier. Because if we're selling them for $10 each, even if we sell 5 or 10, it'll probably be more money than we make in our little, you know, guitar case with change. So making the EPs and hopefully they work out.
So I reckon that the bridge we just really fucking been busy. So we got our Drifters Fund right now, $896 on the book, but we got all this from busking in one day. I'm not going to tell you where though.
Good day, yeah.
1646.80. We're going to make money all the way up. We'll get there. We'll get there.
Yeah.
I was looking to think, how can I record a demo, or how can George and I get a demo together and do everything for as cheap as we can, because recording is one of the biggest costs any kind of musical artist will face. And a studio just started up. 2 guys run it, and because they've just started, they're looking for bands to come and record, and it's a pay as you feel. So we admit that our recording studio has just started. We're going to have a few bugs, teething problems. You come in, record, we help each other out, but you know, it's that middle ground. So I called them and said, hey, I need to record a demo, 5 tracks for a duo. What if we make you a 2-3 minute promotional video for your new studio, and you do this, and you can do the tracks for us? And so right now I'm going to give Hugh, is his name, a call early Friday morning if we can, and have a chat. Hit us back anytime today. Thanks, man.
Been recording scratch tracks actually, because I've been told you take scratch tracks into the studio when you record an EP. I never record stuff, so I didn't know what scratch tracks were. I didn't know what all this stuff is that we're doing. We're recording the song with the guitar and the cajon and everything, but I don't know, Josh explained it earlier. Fucking scratch tracks.
Fucking scratch tracks.
Yeah, and the Drifters we have a daily walk, you know, clear the head. To get away from all the fangirls, usually.
Pretty much.
We have to leave them back in the room.
Give us 10 minutes of peace.
Yeah.
What it is, I'm looking for a bit when you get up out of bed, so getting on the internet, checking you out, get on, fresh up.
Like, this
There
is
should
where you
be
need a
groupies
room of
here now.
groupies.
So they're working hard.
Fucking hell. I'm filming the show and you're editing the show.
Oh my god, we're gonna create a continuous loop and die.
Yeah.
Sat on my tambourine. This is how much we're rushing, like we don't have long before we are supposed to be going away. We're pretty excited. This is like our first proper day. We're gonna get some awesome footage. Songs are starting to come together, still got a while to go, but we'll really know tomorrow after we have a meeting with these guys and have a bit of a whirl. Hello fellow buskers and drifters. We're here at Rubik's and I'm here with Hugh. How you doing, Hugh?
Hi everyone. This is our space. As you can see, it's been taken over by the Buskers guide at the moment. Got some good gear. Of course, it's got a fridge. It's the most important part of any studio.
Fill it with beer tomorrow.
Yeah, definitely.
The studio where we're recording our demo to take on the road, the busking path, the long trail, the drive, the swim, the run, the walk, the hitchhike. Who knows what's going to happen. Pretty awesome space. We're pretty happy.
It is.
Pretty happy to be here.
Stock footage of Rubik's. Morning.
Hey Hugh.
Morning. Morning. Alright, cool. See George on the beat as usual.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's not bad for the first track we recorded, is it?
No.
Breathing in the chemicals. Breaking in, stepping up, checking out of this prison bus. This is it.
Go again, Hugh.
I'm waking up, I feel it in my bones, enough to make my systems blow. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Whoa, 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 I'm
The Buskers Guide.
Radioactive, whoa, 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 I'm radioactive,
It's gonna be a good day.
It's gonna be a good day.
Get it, you fucked up.
That was a good shot.
How are you?
It's so annoying.
You-
I'm really nervous. This is so cool.
We are the coolest place ever. We have Chriselle, who's Josh's little sister.
Yeah.
And yeah, doing some guest vocals for our Macklemore cover. Have you listened to the song a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. We just found, like, me and Josh haven't seen the vocal booth, but they've got a really cool vocal booth here, which you get to test out.
Yeah, you'll be the first one in it.
Yeah.
Sick.
You know how the guy goes, hey, yeah, that bit, after the na-na-nas, you're going to do that as well. Sorry.
Yeah, tell me now.
Yeah.
Thanks.
And the start of the song, I like slit 2 areas of my finger, and so it was really painful to play.
That's some ruthless
It is,
playing,
and so we got to
George.
throw some tape on there, and then I finished it off rockstar style.
Yeah, with blood all over the guitar. We had to
Yeah.
take it out the back because there was a crime scene. Some of Sandy's famous dial. Might not look so good on.
I thought you bought it. This is...
Nah, man. This is Sandy's fucking
rated
legit
food.
food.
Today I've eaten a banana
And
and
that-
toast.
And that there is a perfect case of if it doesn't work, just turn the button on again.
Hi, Chris.
Hey there.
What are you up to?
Just making a documentary about emotions.
Is everything okay?
My dog's having kids tomorrow. I'll be married to a goat. Goats are my life.
Yeah, did you get much footage? No. How come? Well, spent the whole time fucking air guitaring.
This is the moment, and that is.
Just call me anything. Just yell at me.
Can't.
The actual time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Na 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 na. Hey!
Okay.
Yeah!
That's it. Awesome.
That's not leg, man.
Point, world point.
Little trick.
Buskers Guide.
And on that first beat.
Oh man, whatever.
Let me be alone. I sit soaking everything in. I got life in my veins and the sun on my skin. Whoa, whoa.
Doing some vocals. You know, we've been told we shouldn't have dairy and, you know, dairy-like products like soy when you sing because it's bad for your throat. Fuck you. Yeah, pretty much. Fronts, but that's what you get when Wu-Tang raised you. Yo can't stop me. We were talking today, we got a converter for the car a little while ago so we can edit while we're driving. And we're going to get a kettle for the car. We're going to have cups of tea and coffee on the road.
It's what we're looking forward to most now.
Actually,
Yeah.
I just want to get me kettle in the car.
Thank you everybody for coming along, from workplaces, the camera, the film guys, Frankston buddies, you know, my bro, everyone.
It's our first gig.
Cool. Yeah.
First gig tonight, so you guys are all guinea pigs, and you just don't have to like it. It's been okay.
Let me be loud while the room goes